In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage your Calendly bookings in a seamless way. Whether you're coordinating meetings or checking your schedule, integrating with login@microsoftonline.com makes it even easier, especially if you're already navigating through Microsoft applications. First things first, we need to head over to Calendly's official website. Open up your web browser and type in calendly.com. This site lets you manage your appointments efficiently and sync with your calendar. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in to your Calendly account. If you've connected your Calendly account to Google or Microsoft, you'll see those login options. It's quite convenient if you ask me because it uses the authentication from your Microsoft account without needing a separate password. In this demonstration, I'll be using the Microsoft Login option. Once you've selected it, follow the prompts and enter your credentials. You'll be redirected to login.microsoftonline.com, a portal you might recognize if you're familiar with Microsoft's ecosystem. This ensures that your information is secure and synced across platforms. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself back on Calendly's dashboard. From the home page, let's turn our attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Notice the Meetings tab? Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your scheduled meetings are neatly organized. It's a comprehensive overview of everything you've planned. Each meeting is a clickable link, providing you with quick access to pertinent details. Now, delve into any scheduled event by selecting it. Here, Calendly gives you a detailed view. You'll see information such as attendee names, meeting times, and more. This is particularly helpful for preparing in advance and staying organized, especially if you have back-to-back meetings. Once you've checked the details and adjusted any settings, you'll find that everything you need is right there at your fingertips. Switching between events is straightforward, and any changes you make are automatically saved and updated across your connected calendar applications. And just like that, in a few simple steps, you're not just viewing, but managing your Calendly bookings effectively. This setup makes handling appointments intuitive and hassle-free. If you're ever in doubt or need to confirm a meeting, simply return to the Meetings tab and plan accordingly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide clarifies how you can efficiently use Calendly with Microsoft for your scheduling needs. Don't forget to let us know how this integration works for you in the comments below. Keep your calendar coordinated and see you in the next tutorial.